about the authority? Informational power. I know something you don't know. Referent power. People admire you just generally, right? That could be power as well. Situational power. There's a unique situation and you hold the key to that situation. Relational power, page 38, right? Relational power possessed through affiliations. Maybe you got connections in industry. That's always helpful as a leader. Expert power, you're an expert. Reward power, you have the ability to reward or punish. Ingratiation, influence gained by flattery. It works, believe it or not. Pressure-based power, guilt-based power, sending them on a guilt trip. Persuasive power, the ability to persuade. Avoiding, well, go ahead, I'm not going to take part. You know, that's power, and you know some kids, they do that. They do that especially when they know if I refuse to participate, people are going to pay attention to me. It's part of that whole influence game. All right, then we have leadership styles of the project manager. Laissez-faire, that's really hands-off. Transactional, that is based on person by person, right? Servant leader, we've talked about that. Transformational, an example of that will be the likes of Steve Jobs. Inspirational, motivational, innovation. And then we have charismatic, the ability to inspire with high energy, enthusiasm, self-confidence, and strong convictions. Chuck is quite charismatic in his approach. And we have many other leaders who are like that. Then we have Steve Ballmer of Microsoft, very much, you know, at the time, he was very much inspiring, high energy and all that. Interactional, a combination of transactional, transformational, and charismatic. Now, all of those are just good information. You are not going to be asked on the exam, parrot fashion, what is this? No. They're going to give you more situational type questions. So to give you an idea of the question types that you could be asked, let's jump into page 57. So you are the line manager for a new, demotivated, and unskilled junior level graduate employee with minimum experience. She needs a lot of support and direction. Which leadership approach are you most likely to use for this employee? So it's very specific to the Hersey-Blanchard model. I won't tell you the answer. Don't peek at it because I want you to come back and answer this as you're studying. But I just want you to see the questions are going to be very situational. They're going to tell you something happening on the project, and they're going to say, you're the project manager, what should you do? So that Hersey-Blanchard question, if you look at page 48, there's the situational leadership model. After lunch, when you've received some reinforcements, we'll talk about that. So that is a very high-level view of the Hersey-Blanchard model.